All right, welcome everyone, whether it's morning, evening, afternoon, to the first ever Kubeflow virtual kickoff of the Kubeflow Virtual Symposium. We're going to do a 5-minute keynote or just an introduction to what's ahead of you, and then we're going to hop into the sessions. So if anyone's a few minutes late, they should still be able to get to the content. And we are also recording everything. This will be posted to the CNCF YouTube channel in a couple weeks. So some stats around the virtual event. We had over 400 plus registrations. Again, that was last night. We sent out another email, so there could be even more. We have talks from all sorts of organizations. We have small organizations. We have big organizations. You'll get to see them during the sessions. We have speakers who are maintainers. We have speakers who are end users. And we have speakers who are evangelists who just want to talk about Kubeflow. When we talk about locations, we have Ireland, Sri Lanka, United States, India, China, and Australia. And we actually had submissions from Austria and Brazil. Our topics are going to range from something close to home, the local exec mode, to something really innovative and forward-thinking, which is AI-powered drug discovery using Kubeflow. So there's going to be a wide range of topics today. And the question we have to ask is, why are we here, right? Why would anyone attend the Kubeflow Virtual Symposium? Why do we gather as a community? And really, our goal was to build a virtual alternative to Kubeflow Summit. Kubeflow Summit's amazing. You get to get together, you get to discuss topics, you get to meet people from the community face-to-face, maybe someone who actually approved your PR. But we wanted to say, what if you couldn't make it to one of the KubeCons? I know it's hard, it can be expensive. Sometimes you gotta motivate your boss to send you there. So we wanted to find a way where you can get together and connect with those community members like you could at Kubeflow Summit, but virtually. We want to get together, we want to celebrate our achievements, we want to learn from each other, and we want to start to think about what's the next era of Kubeflow as we march towards graduation. And as the community starts to say, now what's next for Kubeflow? We want this to be a community collective learning where we're building together and deciding as a community what's next. And that's really the goal for this, is to get a taste of what could be the next era of Kubeflow. Now, for those who are new, what is Kubeflow? Now, what is Kubeflow is a conversation, it's a hot topic within the community, but it's really designed to empower AI innovation using a Kubernetes native foundation. Kubeflow is the flow of data across Kubernetes. We're the foundation for all of these AI projects in open source. We like to be flexible and composable and modular. So if you have one part of the stack that you don't want to use, you want to maybe integrate it with your current environments, we want to support that. We also want to be portable and scalable. We want to use the power of Kubernetes to be able to deploy your Kubeflow anywhere you want it. That's the way you need it. That's what we're going to do with Kubeflow. We want to be community driven. We don't want to be just a single vendor. We want to be controlled by, as we said, maintainers, evangelists, big companies, small companies. We want everyone, professionals, to come together and decide what the future of Kubeflow is. And we want to support the entire ML lifecycle. And when we mean the entire ML lifecycle, we mean the entire ML lifecycle. In fact, this diagram itself is growing as we start to have more projects work to donate into the Kubeflow project and Kubeflow ecosystem. Now, what do we have in store? So hopefully, I'll finish up with these opening remarks soon. Then we're going to have a conversation around local Kubeflow training with the SDK, LLM inferencing, LLM fine-tuning, AI at AstraZeneca, doing things with bioinformatics, feature engineering with the Spark operator, simplifying Gen AI training with Kubeflow and Helm, how to deploy Kubeflow, and then, of course, closing remarks from Valentina Rodriguez Sosa, who is awesome and is also a Kubeflow Outreach chair. If you want to learn more, I know this was just a 5-minute crash course to what is Kubeflow. We encourage you to visit the website. We're constantly posting what is Kubeflow, as well as reach out to the docs we're on contributing. We are on the CNCF Slack. We are on GitHub. Come find us. We absolutely want to help. We absolutely want to drive more contributions. And thank you. We're excited for everyone to be here. Now, next up, we believe we have our first session.